The only thing that's purchased more in the world is petrol. Coffee comes second. Docusign's convenient, effective. It's a perfect match for our business. A specialty coffee trader. We sell the highest quality coffee, barista training, quality espresso equipment, maintenance, and supporting our wholesale customers' businesses to grow. What I love about Docusign is it's fast and it's effective. We don't do paper anymore. When a customer comes on board and we make an agreement, wholesale agreement, letter of offers, equipment lists, Docusign, just so much faster. You just click on them, drag it over to where you want that specific information to be, signatures, dates, initials, payment fields, and then that gets sent off to the customer to fill out. We wouldn't provide the same quality of service, whether it's in the retail, whether it's online. Docusign helps us stand out from the rest of the crowd. That's where we want to be as a company. I think if you want to succeed in business, Docusign's in line with that.